Hello my lovely people, welcome to another tips video. In today's video we will be talking about 5 tips for traveling in mountains. Tip number 1. Choose off season. If you're traveling solo, trust me, off seasons are the best. You have no one to disturb. Tourist time for solo travelers are like pain in the ass. Yes, that's exactly what I'm going to mention. So choose an off season. The reason to choose an off season is that things are cheaper, like transportation, hotel accommodation, food, even souvenirs. If you want to buy something in off season, these are cheap. Yes, actually. At the same time, availability. Mountains are crowded. Whichever hilly areas you go, in peak season, you will not find that breadth, It's all tourist all around. So choose a off season. Like I choose monsoon. I'm a crazy traveler. So I go through all the hardships in the mountains that happens in the monsoon. But you can choose another off season. And that is very important if you are traveling solo. So choose an off season for any hilly areas if you're traveling. Tip number 2. Choosing a shared transportation. So if you have the option to choose a transportation that you can share with other people, like a taxi, share taxi, do go for it. First, obviously it's gonna be cheaper. Second, it's not gonna, feel you insecure if the driver is taking you to the right place or not. Okay. Third is that share trips is something that gives you more experience, because you need to, it will not take you straight away to point A to point B. There will be some break journeys, and break journeys are amazing. So if you're an adventurous person, obviously when you're traveling solo, that means you want adventure. हम लोग adventure के भूखे हैं. So if you want adventure, go by the shared vehicles. With that, I just got a vehicle in my frame. Suddenly it's coming. So maybe I have to pause my video with that. All good, all good. Thank you, kal ke liye. Actually, I was stuck on my trip last night because of an accident. So these people helped me out. And this was the car actually which got stuck. Tip number 3 for traveling in the hilly areas or mountains. Go for nearby heights. Now, wherever you are traveling, there will be some kind of sightseeing, some waterfalls, some monasteries, some, viewpoints. But the real adventures are in hikes. So ask any local, wherever you are staying, if there is any kind of hikes, any kind of point which you can reach by hiking. Yes, hiking is amazing. Go for some kind of hikes. It's adventurous. Go alone. You don't need anyone. Trust me. Hilly areas, people are really, really, really nice. So you do not need anyone. Go for nearby hikes. Ask anyone if they have a point. If they do not have point, just explore by yourself. Hike up. If you find any waterfall, you can just put your legs into the water. Soak yourself up. Feel the nature together. Embrace the trees together. And, hiking is so important. People are more crazy about trekking. I want to go from this place to that place, but hiking is something, I tell you, you explore a lot of new things. Yes, in trekking actually you have set of places which people have already explored, but in hiking there's a huge chance of adventure. You can do insane thing, and you see this kind of insane stuff in my videos as well, so you can well understand. So if you are coming to hilly areas, mountain areas, solo trip, go for nearby hikes and don't be scared. Let's move on to tip number 4. Explore mountain villages. When I'm saying this, I'm feeling such a deep contentment inside my heart. So wherever you will go, you will find places to stay, to look around, but search for places, especially villages in the mountains. Mountain people are extremely grounded, but when you find people, the villagers, that's a real treat. Different kind of people. Right now I am already in a mountain journey and I am living in a extensively secluded, it's out of the world kind of place, no connection, and it's a village. What you will learn here, you cannot learn anywhere else. First and foremost, the hardships. Second, the people, the amazing people. Third, the food. In mountain villages you find food that you will not find anywhere else. So mostly those are tribal foods, native foods and authentic recipes. So if you're somebody who is like a foodie kind of, go for villages in the mountains. And with that I have come to the last tip number 5. Always carry a camphor or a scented paper soap or a small soap in your clothes luggage. The reason why is that it helps you to avoid vomiting. When you're traveling in mountains, there's a huge chance that you might feel vomiting. So this is something that is going to help you. And keep it inside your purse, or you can keep it in your pockets also. So whenever you feel vomiting, just smell it and whew, done. That's it. I know a lot of people have a lot of problems with vomiting when they travel to mountains, and for that reason be like, no, I don't want to go that zigzag roads in the cars. It especially happens when you go on a higher altitude or you are traveling on a car for a longer period of time in the mountains. Mountain journeys are really, like, most of the time it's extensive, so camphor is gonna save you in your journey, or maybe a paper soap. I always suggest go for a lemon, lemon kind of smell, some fragrance. I love lemon and it helps me. So camphor or lemon flavored soap, paper or soap. So that is for today's tips video. And if you're liking my videos, my journeys and my tips videos especially, please subscribe my channel by hitting the red subscribe button below, and don't forget the bell icon to never miss a video. That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, travel a lot. I love you all. Come and join my YouTube families. Bye bye.